We have plant mail. I would just like to take a moment and thank the UPS man for waiting until my husband left for work to deliver this package to the front door. This plant mail is our plants that I won off of Palmstreet, the app. I'll link it in the caption. If you are a lover of plants and like to collect plants, the app is dangerous, I will warn you. They do live auctions of plants and you'll get some absolutely incredible plants for an amazing deal. So they also will pack all of the plants that you win in a week all in one order, so you don't have to pay shipping multiple times. So these are four, I know, I don't need more plants, but 4 plants that I got off of the Nursery Projectusa. They are so fun to watch on their lives. They just bring so much amazing positive energy. So I just love like sitting in there and watching them, and I want to sell plants someday, so I'm like watching to learn, but then this happens. But you know, that's fine. That's fine. We love our little plant babies. So some of these are plants that I had not seen before, so when I saw them go up for auction, I could not resist. Okay. It's like Christmas every time we get a new plant shipment. So this is the little guy. This is a plant that I hadn't seen before. So I was really excited to see it, and I got it for a very good price. So pretty. They packaged it really well. This is a yellow crocodile philodendron. Look at how cool these leaves are. I'm so excited to see how big they get. And the color on these, so bright, vivid yellow. I love them. I'm so excited for this plant and growing it bigger. Look at how tiny this little pot is, and the leaves are already this big. This is incredible. Okay, these next ones are a little bit bigger, but I got amazing deals on them. Some of my favorite plants are calatheas. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, this is one that I had not seen before. Very excited about this. The leaves are just so pretty. This is a calathea pilosa, I think is how you say it. Look at how pretty those leaves are. Just like the splashes of the really bright green. So pretty. And then some of them even have like multiple different shades of green. And then the leaf itself is just this like big, long, oh, so beautiful. And there's a ton of new growth coming in. So this is part of the calathea family, which I have been collecting a lot of. There's just so many different, such pretty varieties. I can't help myself, as you will see. Okay, this little lady got a little smush, but this is a syngonium oat milk. I've been wanting to get a milk syngonium for a while, and I saw this one. So many new leaves coming in. So this is a syngonium variety that has these really light color leaves with the pink speckles on them. Super pretty. Very unique. They have a ton of new leaves pushing out here, so I'm excited to see what all of those guys look like. But this was such a good deal, could not pass it up. I've just started collecting syngoniums. I have a couple varieties right now, but I did not have the milky kind. Okay. And then this last one is another calathea, however you say it, but this one is a beauty star. So this variety has that really pretty dark green in the center with the light green on the outside, and then it has like that pink veining that makes it look almost fake. But I just love the shape of these leaves. I have a calathea ornata over here. The leaves are kind of broader. I love that these leaves kind of look like feathers. They're just so pretty. I'm obsessed with this plant. I'm excited to see it continue to get bigger. But all of these plants I got for such a deal. I think each of them was like $12 for these bigger ones and then $8 for this little tiny guy. I'm so excited to add these to my plant collection, get them potted up, and watch them grow even bigger. Thank you so much, Nursery Project USA, for being just so fun. I'm obsessed with you guys. I linked their shop down below and the Palmstreet app so you guys can go check them out and add to your plant collection. Have fun and happy growing.